Pai le ta sa chem se u promise bun ai ba me pai.
Ta me mot ban ong ba bro arngot ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Outreach educator ka Faith Foundation uba Max Dor GSM boleh tu pekat kum kejeng ajeng ken jaga terat pulit ke Jela Meghalaya nadu uyayong arajar apusau hadu urempang arajar apusan kidan sanspa san pun rutli kejeng syak thombor hakalong rinyeng jogi kenna bat nakini prapun rutli degi belajar he is Khasi Hills. Ubas ia mulai kini kejeng ken jaga Grand Child Wellbeing Mela arajar apun rio belapen long the Faith Foundation hakas potuk leber arajar apun rio ho All Saints ho Shillong da kejeng temu ban kentir kejeng em kababha kejeng shngan bat kejeng hada hi kenaret haga dengan mela laishin bentar di samla puli kino hikai ki officer bat kiro pat ba kin thupru ki kena puli na kilefun drudli ki kena na school na keleng kanong ba Shillong na kelyang director ke School Education and Literacy ba bentelang J Khashandi ulong bagajing shngan bagajing hada jong ki kena kede ke bentar ka bakongsan bha jong tanat puli puthi bar ulong ba omde tang ka kamram jong ki kimi kpa ni ki school hende ka deiru ka jingkit khle jong no shoshnong ban pintikna baki khenna kinyo yakila jingada ba jing shngan ha ki saukun ro jong school hayeng patha ka shnong ka thau.
Today's Child Mela basically will focus on two important areas which are very, very crucial for a child's well-being. First thing first, of course, we understand that the safety and security of each and every child is paramount to everybody. It's not just for the parents, it's not just for the teachers and the principals in schools, but in fact, as responsible citizens of the state, we must ensure that our children are safe, our children are secure, and wherever they are, be it in school, be it at home, be it in their neighborhood, be it anywhere that the children are, they have to be safe and they have to be protected from all harm and danger. Now, Faith Foundation as an organization is not new to me because I remember I had met some of the members in a couple of meetings also that were held please correct me if I'm wrong, I attended one program also in the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, so I remember meeting some of the members over there also. So I was very happy to learn that they've done so much of good work for the children, particularly in the aspect of the safety, the safety of children. So a lot of it has been talked about, children, giving awareness to children on safe touch, bad touch, and so on and so forth. Now, we all understand that why even the government also is giving a lot of focus on the safety of children, because we understand that the children or the students in school are the most vulnerable. Alright, so they are basically the sections of people who are vulnerable and who are being targeted, who become easy prey for people who have bad or cruel intentions. But what is important is that we need to give the required awareness and the required knowledge to our students so that whenever they face such situations in life, they will be able to handle them with confidence and they will be able to avoid any harm and danger being meted out to them.
Ni pelong ye kini ki campaigns ki jung yiru kunju away gede ka keeping our children safe campaign abangi rakhi ye kani nadu ubanai April dar bro sisnam but kawai da ni don ye kani ka child safety week campaign abangi rakhi ha ubanai November sautrek do arpotrek de ha kini ki campaigns pan ni pelong ki programs ki bapher bangin la aban ai awareness ki snong ki thau ki jungi tang bangi ai awareness ki donru ki workshops na ta ki training sessions ru bangi ai ya ki stakeholders ki bapher mo kumno bakin long kita ki agents of change ha ki snong ki thau ki jong ki bakin la ban ai jingerap ka bapaka ya kini ki kena ladadon ki pasha thombo kat kum kajing syam jungi ha kajing trekam jungi dai on the field ni syamba bun sin hi ki nong kit kam snong nang ta ki school nang ta shuang hi ki snong ki thau dai bun hi kim tip kum no bakin handle appropriately kum no bakin respond appropriately ha baki syam kum kini ki situations de bon teng teng hi dangia yo kum kini ki incidents ru bon teng teng hi kala syukut no kajing compromise para maki nomor ba kawai hi kadang don hi ketuka stigma mo apo ka snong ka thau jungi ba kim kwa bakan pau sabar habaki don kini ki jingja kim kwa bakan pau sabar bon sin hi hakabaya pet bat ka hok pensim bentamu ki kena bunsin mengi ki rangba te ni set kelab bat bunsin ni set nyemda ai than ki kala bakin yesim benta mo ho ai don ki activities haki school nang ta haki snong ki thau tangba ban ong hi ban aila ki bakin perkhat bakin wanra hi ta ki ideas ki jingmo ji perkhat chuki bunsin hi kim yo ya kata kala di Lingba ke Faith Foundation ni wanra ya kene ka konsep jong ka child well-being mela pan aila ki kena bikin wanra ya ki ideas pat pan kala ya ki haki kinja activities haba kila bani sim benta ban ki perlok joki bat kumjuru bekila ban sim benta bekilo hikai bat ki kimi ki pa joki ka Faith Foundation la sengya ka nadu usnam arajar khalai ban ngila tre menta halor kani ka isu ka jingsha thambor hakalong ron yang ki kena ngila tre mentala khalai snap but ngi tre ringkat ru but ka education department haba ngi pentrikam ya ka personal safety education program haki school jungi sini sapo East Khasi Hills ngila adap ya tre la pun tli ki school but ha uni usnam ngin ya tre lang sa khat new tli ki school hapo East Khasi Hills sapo tli ki school hapo Riboy district but Santuli ki school hapo West Garo Hills but kawai dia ka service bangi provide kadika rehabilitation jongki child survivors of child sexual abuse habangi eye counseling yaki habangi yo kini ki disclosure ngi eye counseling yaki ban ngi eye jingerap ru yaki habaki let ki court hearings but bakin yo yakini ki entitlements mo habaka government ka haban eye ki de kum ka statistics ka bangila ban syam na ka Meghalaya State Police jungi dai habaya pet ya ka record nadu u April arajar arpusau hadu u February arajar arpusam kidon baro rapun riutli ki case ki bayade baka jingsha thombor ya kalong ren yang ki kena halor kataru sanspa sanpun riutli ki total cases kabayade batka crime against children hakasti kejungi de prapun riutli ki de tangha apoka East Khasi Hills.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ।
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.